Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Overwatch 2 black screen problem. It's easy if you want to fix it. What you have to do first, click here and then go to graphics settings. Make sure to enable this option, and after that go to Windows update settings, check for updates and install all of the updates that you can find. Now go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, install the latest update for your graphics card, restart your PC, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.